Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. So, tignan natin kung anong energy update. Okay. So, sa mga hindi po makaka-resonate today, better luck next time po. Okay. Sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. Siya nga po pala, gusto ko magpasalamat sa mga new subscriber po natin at saka sa mga returning subscriber. Thank you po sa suporta. Maraming salamat po. Ay laking tulong sa mga nagko-comment, nagla-like at saka nag-share. Maraming salamat po. Okay. I see you po. I see you. Okay, sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate today, better luck next time. Sa mga makaka-resonate po, thank you po in advance. So, tingnan natin. Maaari pong naganap na magaganap pa lang or kasalukuyang nagaganap mga IUVG. So, tingnan natin. Three of Wands. May plano ka, Virgo? Three. Three sa numerology is communication. Pero siguro meron ka pang hinihintay dito. Three of Swords, 33, maybe significant. Oops, sorry. The Lovers. 33 Virgo may be significant. Makakita ka ng repeating numbers related sa 3333, 3131, 3333, 3232, basta may 3. So, 3 of Wands to the 3 of Swords, Virgo, why is that? Okay. Merong plano dito na hindi nagpabor. Okay. Or maybe nauna ang heartbreak bago nagplano. Kasi meron ang the Lovers card, decision making. Maybe naganap na ang decision making and someone is heartbroken about it and there is a plan. Merong baka this is plan A or plan B. Okay. So let's see. Bottom of the deck, King of Pentacles. Let's see. Ten of Cups. The Hangman. Two of Cups. This is love. Two of Wands. Two of Wands to the Three of Wands. Six of Swords. Nine of Pentacles. Six of Pentacles. So, merong delay dito, Virgo. It's very clear. The Lovers and Two of Cups. Okay. So, kung meron man nag-decision dito out of... Meron kasing separation na nangyari dito with the Six of Swords. But someone is planning ahead. Hindi pa maagala with the Two of Swords, Two of Wands, pero may Three of Wands. Nag-after siya ng Two of Cups eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino to. Maybe the person that you are connected with, Virgo. Hindi ko alam. Sige, ipagpalagay na natin. Kung ikaw, Virgo, is hindi ka naman stuck in some point. I mean, when it comes to love, you are doing good with the Nine of Pentacles. Doing your own thing. Okay. Being generous to people, being kind. Just doing your own thing here. Someone dito, merong isang person dito na stuck up. Okay. Why is that stuck up? Nasa verge to ng decision making. Siya ang either way. Okay. Either ikaw ang magdedesisyon or this another person. Kailangan magdesisyon dito. Two of Cups is there in the Lover's card. But in some point, heartbroken. Hindi ko alam kung nireject mo to or feeling rejected by somewhere else. Okay, Virgo. But meron din travel dito. Two of Wands, planning something, hindi pa kaso may iniintay lang. Okay, hindi ko alam kung ikaw may iniintay, Virgo. But with the Ten of Cups, Two of Cups, the Lover's card, this is definitely love. This is a relationship, hindi ko pwede masabi baka coworker or family department. This is love department. Specifically, okay, sa mga hindi pa makaka-resonate, okay naman po relationship nyo, then this is not for you. I'm sorry. But for those Virgos na you are feeling something in your veins, something is coming out to get you. Like, nagigits mo ako, Virgo. Meron kang mentality na it is what it is. Hindi ka nag-expect with the Nine of Pentacles. You're just doing your own thing. But on the other hand, there is someone here, somewhere out there, na planning something, or maybe this person, the Strength card, lakas ng tama. Queen of Pentacles with the King of Pentacles. The Emperor. Someone is coming to get you, Virgo. Hindi naman sa tinatakot kita, pero this person is dedicated. Stubborn person. Gusto niya magsimula ng new beginning dito sa'yo. But with the Hangman is delay. Hindi ko alam kung anong sitwasyon meron ka ngayon. But if you are doing your own thing, nasa market ka, somebody's gonna take you out of the market, Virgo. Ten of Cups is my married, happily, kind of emotional, happy, wifey material. Husband. This is definitely a family, marriage, commitment, kind of thing, Virgo. But, Three of Swords. Meron lang dito, pay attention lang kasi baka nasaktan ka na nito with the Three of Swords. Tapos kung saan okay ka na, saka naman susulpot. Like, it doesn't even make sense. The Death card. Okay. Ten of Swords, as I said. Be careful. Five of Wands, it's a fight. Knight of Wands, paglalaban ka talaga nito. Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles, Ten of Cups, Two of Cups, the Lovers, Emperor card. Definitely, Virgo, gusto ka nito with the Death card. Hell no. Ten of Swords. I think if this is a past person, Virgo, I don't think so na gusto mo pang bumalik. Pag napipicture mo ang death, ang transformation that you've go through with the Ten of Swords, stabbing in the back, like hit rock bottom. Tapos yung mga fights with the Five of Wands, yung mga competition dito, I think merong mentality sa'yo, ito lang masasabi ko, meron kang part na gusto mong ipaglaban, pero meron ding side, meron ka ding part na there's no turning back. Confusing, okay? Kasi ang energy ng card na to, in between tayo sa The Lovers, okay? So, ibig sabihin ng The Lovers para sa akin is making a decision when it comes to relationship. Since meron tayong single card, okay, at meron tayong separation card with the Six of Swords. So, it's very clear dito na merong delay, merong tinitingnan lang ang sitwasyon in a very different perspective, merong heartbroken, merong nagpaplano dito pero hindi pa makapa-step out. Nakikita niya ng vision niya, naamoy niya na, but meron na siyang hinihintay. Two of Wands to the Three of Wands to the Two of Cups, Strand card, Death card. This is a big transformation, Virgo. Hindi ko alam kung both of you meron ng something, if this is a past person, okay. Ang explanation, ini-explain ko po ngayon if you are dealing with the past person or something about that person na gusto ka niyang i-pursue. Hindi ko alam kung lalabas to sa panaginip mo or something kasi I'm seeing the Ten of Swords saka that card like a dream or something, Virgo. I know it doesn't even make sense about the dreaming part, pero be careful lang with this person offering stability. Past person. And itong person na to is very stubborn. Nape-perceive ka ng person na to as very grounded person. Okay, nandun na tayo sa nakataga sa utak ng person na to, mga binitawan mong salita na kaya mong panindigan. May mga binitawang ang salita dito with the Queen of Pentacles and the Strand card. Even though nawala yung communication dito, pero pag ang Queen of Pentacles ang magsalita, gagawin niya talaga. Like, do or die. Pag sinabi mong hindi, hindi na. Kasi Queen of Pentacles to the Ten of Swords to the Death card. So, ibig sabihin, laki ng transformation dito. Mal-away din to. If naganap na to from the past, Virgo, magre-resurface ulit siya, okay? Or makakarinig ka ng mga news with the Knight of Wands na there's something going on with this person. Pina-fuck up niya ulit yung energy field mo. You know what I mean? Meron kang King of Pentacles. In some point, very connected kayo nitong dalawa. Nitong person na to. Tell me more. Ace of Pentacles, Chariot card, travel. Apology. Rejection. Confusion. Nakikita ka na ng Nine of Pentacles. Diba sabi ko iti-take out ka niya sa market kasi nakikita niyang available ka, emotionally available but at the same time stable. Very stable mentally, emotionally. Para po sa mga Virgo hindi makaka-resonate, better lang next time po, okay? If, Virgo, this is a new person, paras kayong may experiences, baggages, okay, going through the dark night of the soul, I think both of you is, pag sinabi kong baggages is baka meron kayong mga anak sa una or family na before kayo mag-meet nitong person na to kasi we are talking about king and queens and the emperor card. So, ibig sabihin, mga well-experienced to, we are talking about 10 of cups and 10 of pentacles, mga stabilized na marami ng experience with the 10. Tatlo ng 10 dito 10 of cups, 10 of pentacles, at saka 10 of swords. Okay. 10 of wands na lang wala. But, kung both of you, if this is a new person, Virgo, this person is confused, okay. Meron tong offer na nireject mo, okay. Or maybe ikaw ang feeling rejected. Either way po, either way. So, pero itong person na to, I just want to let you know, Virgo, na very stubborn. As well as you. Okay. So, kahit ikaw stubborn ka din, meron ka ding stubbornness side. So, hindi ko alam, hindi ko may point out kung who is who and who is what. Nagigets mo ako, Virgo. Pero since reading or energy mo to, ang tinatanong natin is kung anong ganap. Okay. Posibleng ganap. Okay. Pero merong generosity card do. Very kind person, giver. Okay. But in some point, merong rejection dito. Rejection, why is that rejection? Because out of confusion. Ang ganda sana kasi merong Ace of Pentacles, 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, 2 of Cups, 2 of Cups. I think if this is a new person, nafe-feel siguro niya na meron kayong similarities when it comes to experience at saka meron kayong mga similarities na this is karmic relationship or something. Ayokong pumunta dyan sa mga karmic relationship or something in that line. Pero ang masasabi ko lang with the Two of Cups, this is a soulmate card also. But everybody is your soulmate. It can friend mo or soulmate. But what I'm telling is soulmate. Like, deeper than that. Or sabihin natin hindi soulmate or let's just say twin flame or your karmic relationship in the past. And this lifetime, kailangan nyong i-figure out kung asan ang mga kulang nyo dito at anong kailangan nyong tapusin. But at the same time, meron na siguro kayong mga baggages somewhere else. Okay, kaya siguro hindi nag-workout ang relationship mo at relationship niya because you are destined to fix something na inabandon niya nyo before. Okay, so destined kayong mag-meet halfway in this lifetime to figure out if ang lalim ko na. King ang lalim ko na. Kasi bakit ko nasabi yun? That card, Ten of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, it is a cycle like paulit-ulit. Okay. And Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles with the Ace of Pentacles. To the Two of Cups and the Lovers card. Very confusing. Okay. But at the same time, very interesting. Expect some communication message. We have good news here, Virgo. Good news about what? Yun ang hindi ko alam. But with the Five of Wands, competition, fight, chaos, hindi ganun kadali. Okay. Pero definitely calling in your soulmate ang spread na ito. Itong spread na to. Calling in your soulmate. Maybe you are going through something when it comes to relationship at nag-heal ka na. You've been through a transformation and as well as this person. And ano bang klaseng circumstances or event ang pwede natin palatandaan dito if this is the real deal. If this is a new person in this timeline. Past person, I'm talking about past person, past life. If naniniwala kayo, sa mga hindi pa maka-resonate, better luck next time po. Pwede pong scroll nyo na lang or watch another that can fit for you. Pero para lang po to sa mga Virgos na you can feel it into your veins. Na-feel mo sa puto mo, sa laman-laman mo. Na there is something or someone is trying to reach out of you. Trying to reach out, to be with you, to fix something with you, Virgo. Okay. Ayusin kung ano man ang nasira or kasi ang ganda, Ten of Cups, Ten of Pentacles, Ace of Pentacles, Two of Cups. But all of a sudden, there is a Three of Swords in between Ten of Swords and the Death card. Like hell, no? At saka may rejection, no? Merong rejection out of confusion. Let's just say apology. Rejected pa rin with the Four of Cups. Out of confusion pa rin kasi. So either way, full cards start with 0. So, if this is a past person, you know that your ex is trying to reach out. Kasi stubborn eh. Emperor card tsaka King of Wands. Very stubborn. Okay. And there is a fight when this person comes in. And you stupid ka na with the Ten of Swords. Ito na naman tayo. Para makakapagbitaw ka na ng salita. Ito na naman tayo. Okay. But if this is a new person, I think makakapagsabi ka rin ng, ito na naman ako. Ito na naman tayo, parang hindi na ako nadala. Kind of energy. Okay. But I think merong purpose eh. Nine of Cups. Merong purpose kung bakit ito nangyayari sa timeline mo ngayon, Virgo. Okay. Or bakit nagki-question ka or nag-analyze ka or gine-generate mo yung mga experience mo when it comes to your past. Okay. I think ang full moon natin is on August, if I'm not mistaken. So, lahat ng emotions ay matitrigger. Kahit 10 years ago pa yan or 20 years ago, childhood memory or what in some point. Let's just say another life, your past life. matitrigger in this timeline, Virgo? Tell me more. Let's just say last 3 cards. Sana po ay nagets. Wala naman akong naisiwalat na information talaga eh. Pero ang information lang na maibibigay ko dito is merong someone na nararamdaman mo na either calling in your soulmate to fix what you've been, para ayusin kung ano man ang dapat ayusin. Okay, isettle down ang dapat isettle. Okay. Past life or new life. Okay, let's just say. Meron kang kailangang ayusin dito. Or maybe this person, kailangan niyang ayusin yung issue niya sa'yo. Or ikaw, kailangan mong ayusin ang issue mo sa kanya. So, para hindi maapektuhan kung ano man ang mga darating na 10 of Pentacles, 10 of Cups, 2 of Cups, Ace of Pentacles, sa'yo or sa kanya din. Either way. This is love department, Virgo. I'm not gonna lie. At saka obvious na obvious naman. Kasi merong mga unhealed trauma dito. So you cannot move on into the next chapter. It will do the same again repeatedly. Same situation, different body. Yani, nagigits mo ko, Virgo. Yung mga maa-attract mong person, kung hindi ito tatapusin or kung hindi aayusin yung issue, kung lagi lang tatakbuhan yung issue, walang puro simula to, walang forever. But if you will face the issue, or maybe this person, haharapin niya yung issue niya sa'yo, ikaw haharapin mo rin issue mo sa kanya, then you will be free. Either way, either kayong dalawang ending or separate ways. Basta ang importante is you settle it, ina-settle nyo kung anong mga dapat aregluhin or ayusin. Okay. 2 of Pentacles, trying hard. Trying your best or this person's best. Okay. Pero meron talaga, may nararamdaman ka ba, Virgo? Hindi ka crazy. Kung meron kang naiisip minsan na all of a sudden parang naramdaman mo na may naisip ka na hindi mo naman usually iniisip, pagla na lang magpa-pop out or sa mga bibig ng friend circle mo na, uy, si ano, ganun. Like, you know what I mean? You're not crazy, Virgo. Sorry, you're not crazy. Someone is thinking about you or fixing things with you in a love department. May gustong makapag-ayos sa'yo dito, Virgo. And I think there is a rejection over there. Rejection, but in a very, very polite way. In a very good way. Or maybe there is an offer here of stability, pero I think feeling rejected pa rin. Out of what? Out of confusion. Okay. Hindi ko alam kung ikaw ang magre-reject or ikaw ang i-reject dito. But in some point, either way. Wheel of Fortune. Destined to happen. 9 of Swords and the Sun card. Page of Cups. 7. May gustong ipaglaban dito yung may nakaka-realize dito ng 9 of Swords to the 10 of Swords, mga pagkakamali. Okay. Na kung bakit hindi pinaglaban or in some point. But at the same time, with the happy card, na-realize ng person na to na it's not greener on the another side. The grass is not greener on the another side. So, nasa huli ang pagsisisi. Baka maririnig mo sa person na to kung ano ang naging life niya temporarily. Okay, but with the Wheel of Fortune, time's up. Okay. Kung baka sakasakali ikaw ang iniwan, Virgo, or maybe ikaw ang nang iwan. Kung ikaw ang nang iwan, your happiest is time's up. Okay. So, ang turn naman ng another person na sumaya. Okay. But kung ikaw ang iniwan, Virgo, pinagpalit sa iba, and then nagpakasaya sila, and then habang ikaw ay umiiyak at nagmumukmuk at nagtatry mag-move on and something in that line, I think it's your turn. Time's up na rin para sa person na to. Wheel of Fortune, Nine of Swords, Seven of Wands. Pinipilit na lang na maging masaya, but it's a very chaotic space kung nasaan man ang person na to. Okay, so pinili niya yon, um, panindigan niya. Okay. So, with the Nine of Pentacles, if you are doing good, smelling good, paying your own bills, you don't have to seek any validation to others, then you're good. Okay. So, if yung rejection na to, I think it's for your own good. Kaya siguro na-confuse ka, or maybe this person is confused bakit hindi ka na paras ng dati na it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Okay, okay, okay. I think it's your turn to shine, Virgo, here. It's your turn. And this person, time is up. Okay. Everything has limitation. Kung asan man siya ngayon dati, nung una masaya siya, ininiwang ka niya, or ano man ang nangyari, either way, ang rules sa earth is kailangan balanse. Kung ikaw ang inapakapakan before, hindi ko naman sinabing ikaw naman na mag-apak-apak ngayon, no? Ibig ko sabihin, lalo na kapag hindi ka naging obedient ka. I mean, hindi ka gumante. Nag-move on ka ng sa'yo lang. Nag-shutdown ka. Hinanap mo yung sarili mo with the Death card, Ten of Swords, Dark Knight of Swords, Strength card. Nagkaroon ka ng clarity. Full card kanina. Lumabas. So, you start from 0 to up to 9 of Pentacles. Do 9 of Pentacles to the 9 of Cups kanina. Sarili mo lang. Then, Virgo, kung sino man ang mga nag-agrabyado sa'yo before, i-make sure mo na nasa iyo ang huling halakak. Okay. Yun lang masasabi ko. Not in a bad way. Okay. Di naman tayo nag-wish ng mapasama yung iba or maging miserable buhay nila. No. What I'm telling is, it's very clear na karma is at work. You know what I mean? Yung mapapasabi ka na lang na lahat ng mga pinagdaanan mo before and lahat ng mga wasting time mo before at saka ngayon, it's not wasted, Virgo. Hindi baliwala. So, tingnan natin. Anong advice sa akin, mga ka-UVG? The energy is gaining momentum, Virgo. Okay. And work through your fears. Your commitment is being tested. And it's time to take action. Wow. You need to take action, Virgo, for those na alam mo. Kita mo naman yan, mga Virgo kasi meron silang mga sense of parang kung kaya pang hilutin ng sitwasyon, parang decipher nyo eh. Kung ramdam nyo eh, meron kayong parang chip. Gabi, ginawang computer. Parang meron kayong chip na naka-install as Virgos na kaya nyong tansyahin ng sarili nyo kapag ka nakikita nyo pa or nadedetect nyo pa ang sitwasyon na kaya pang hilutin. But I think yung chip na yon magsha-shutdown, disconnected lahat. Shoop! Lahat disconnected. Hindi maka-connect sa chip mo kapag alam mo na enough is enough. Yun lang masasabi ko. Okay. Sana naman ay nagets yung analogy ko. Pasensya na, wala na akong ibang maisip. Yun ang madaling analogy na pumasok sa isip ko. Okay, so let's see kung anong angel message number mo, Virgo. Angel message para sa mga ka-UVG dyan. Sana naman ay nagets. Okay, basta the energy is gaining momentum. Work through your fears, Virgo, and your commitment is being tested. You need to take action as well. Okay. Or maybe someone is nararamdaman mong magte-take action. Ramdamin mo kaya, Virgo. And let me know in the comment below if I'm telling or saying it right. You've changed a lot. Laki ng pagbabago dito with the Death card. Five. Meron kang king. Meron kang jack. So, 5, 9. Meron kang jack ulit. So, 598. 598 Virgo, Google mo siya. Angel message number 598, maaaring makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, Virgo, sana ay nakaresonate. Sa mga hindi mo makaresonate, better luck next time po, okay? So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one, Virgo. And bye for now.